In today's video, we will be sharing 14 foods that have been scientifically proven to lower blood pressure within minutes. It also includes juices, snacks, and herbs. Regardless of our location or income level, the leading cause of death worldwide is heart disease. One of the most common conditions leading to heart disease and stroke is high blood pressure. But luckily, high blood pressure usually can be reversed naturally, specifically through lifestyle changes and foods that lower blood pressure. First on the list is pomegranate juice. While most traditional fruit juices contain processed sugar, which practically destroy all their useful nutrients, 100% pomegranate juice is actually one of the healthiest juices on the planet. One of the most fascinating benefits of pomegranate juice is that it has the ability to lower blood pressure naturally. Studies have shown that pomegranate juice has major blood pressure lowering ability, both in short and long term. It has also been tested for its ability to reduce blood pressure in patients with diabetes, patients undergoing kidney dialysis, and those with carotid artery disease. They all came back with the same successful results. Coming in next we have spinach. We've all known for a long time that spinach is a crazy healthy food which helps to reduce disease caused by inflammation. The awesome antioxidants that it contains makes it landed on this list of foods that lower blood pressure. Next up we have coriander. New research has shown that coriander has been used traditionally for years to treat a number of conditions. In 2009, a revolutionary study began an attempt to define what exactly coriander can do. Researchers found that it displays several positive benefits, including a hypotensive, blood pressure lowering effect. Next on the list is pistachios. They're not just a snack anymore. Pistachio nutrition is not a small thing when it comes to heart health. Nuts tend to have a positive effect on lowering blood pressure as a group, but when compared to other types of nuts, pistachio came out on top. Pistachios are on the list of foods that lower blood pressure, but it can also help those who are suffering from high cholesterol as well. Up next is the magical beetroot juice. Beet has a wide variety of benefits, from maintaining a healthy sex drive, to blood detoxification. Its juice, known as beetroot juice, has been used since the Middle Ages to treat a number of conditions. However, this is not just a folk remedy myth. Beetroot juice has been the subject of many extensive scientific research for its health benefits, which shows that it has the ability to lower blood pressure. Beetroot juice significantly reduces both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Interestingly, beetroot juice had a more immediate hypotensive effect than cooked beet. Then we have olive oil. Since biblical days, olive oil has been regarded as one of the healthiest staple foods. It is a common part of the Mediterranean diet, a well-known diet associated with longer lifespans and less instances of common diseases, like heart disease. This antioxidant-rich delicious cooking oil can be used in so many recipes, and that's a good thing because it's a food that lowers blood pressure. A 2015 scientific review conducted in Spain even found that virgin olive oil significantly reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease, which suggests that it's good for the heart on a wider level than just high blood pressure. Olive oil is one of the most healthiest fats that you may definitely want to include in your regular diet. If you are enjoying the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Surprisingly, dark chocolate is next on the list. Perhaps the most controversial item on my list of foods that lower blood pressure is dark chocolate. One reason for the controversy is because dark chocolate contains a huge amount of sugar. There are some small studies that disagree, but when tested on a large scale, dark chocolate is consistently correlated with a lowered risk of high blood pressure. This is most significant in larger populations with metabolic syndrome, a cluster of conditions associated with dangerous health issues, including stroke, diabetes, and heart disease. The best results when working to lower blood pressure by eating dark chocolate will always come from chocolate high in flavonoids, specific phytochemicals that act as antioxidants. Up next we have flaxseed. Because of the benefits of omega-3 found in flaxseed, it ranks on this list of best foods that lower blood pressure. It can even lower blood pressure in patients who have already developed peripheral artery, a common condition known as fatty deposits or calcium buildup within the walls of the artery. For best results, flaxseed should be consumed regularly over a 12-week period. Scientists have been so impressed by these transformations that a 2013 study in Canada said that flaxseed induced one of the most potent antihypertensive effects achieved by a dietary intervention. Coming in next we have celery. You probably know by now that magnesium and potassium, which can be found in celery, helps to regulate your blood pressure, but did you know that it's good for high blood pressure? Every time you eat celery, its nutrients help to relax the tissues of the artery walls to increase blood flow and reduce blood pressure. To get the benefit, you should eat roughly 4 stalks daily. It's interesting to note that at least one study found that cooked celery had more blood pressure lowering potential than raw. Number 10, we have tomatoes. This most popular veggie, loaded with the heart-healthy nutrient lycopene, has been shown to lower high blood pressure significantly, sometimes making drug treatments completely unnecessary. The best hypotensive effects of the tomato will be found when eaten raw. Next up, we have purple potatoes. Are you trying to make sure you get a wide variety of colors in your diet? Well, probably you can try out the vibrant purple potato. It is loaded with antioxidants, including anthocyanin pigments that give this sweet potato its color. Purple potatoes help significantly lower blood pressure. Number 12, we have sesame oil. With the exceptions of olive, coconut, and sesame oil, I generally try to stay away from vegetable oils. However, sesame seeds oil has been popular in ancient medicines for thousands of years and has some serious heart-healthy properties. Sesame seed oil lowers blood pressure and helps protect against cardiac hypertrophy, a thickening of the heart muscle usually caused by high blood pressure. A lot of research on sesame oils found out that it has the ability to increase potassium levels while decreasing sodium in the blood. These effects seem to apply in both the short and long term, so by cooking with sesame oil on a regular basis may help protect against high blood pressure. Hibiscus tea is next on the list. Another slightly controversial item on my list is hibiscus tea. This tart herbal tea contains a large number of antioxidants, and has been found to effectively decrease blood pressure, including in patients with diabetes. Unlike most of the foods mentioned above, there are a few minor risks to consider when consuming hibiscus tea, although it's generally recognized as safe. There is some evidence that at extremely high doses, hibiscus tea could potentially interfere with some liver functions. Because of its extremely effective results in lowering blood pressure, it is not recommended for pregnant or nursing women, or patients taking certain medications, including diabetes medications, high blood pressure medications and chloroquine, used to treat malaria. We couldn't have completed the list without garlic. Allicin, the main active compound in garlic, is thought to be largely responsible for garlic's blood pressure lowering properties. Garlic may help reduce systolic and diastolic blood pressure levels by up to 11.2 millimeters. In some instances, garlic supplements may work as effectively as standard blood pressure lowering medications, with much fewer side effects. Please keep in mind that while all these foods and juices may work as a supplement treatment for high blood pressure, be sure to talk with your healthcare provider before making any lifestyle changes or trying any new supplements. If you know of any other foods or juices that lower blood pressure, please let us know in the comments below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comments section below. Thank you for watching.